How to use split screen multitasking on Android 15 version. Unlock your device. Here you can see my Google Pixel 8 device running the Android 15 version. So you can use multi-screen. You can use multitasking or use two applications at the same time using the recent apps on your Pixel device or running stock Android 15 version. To open the recent app, swipe up and hold to open the recent apps on your device. Here you can see list of we use app. Tap on the app icon from the top. Now you can find the split screen option. Make sure app supported the split screen. Not all applications support the split screen option. So here you can see split screen not available. So make sure all apps supported split screen. Now tap the application icon at the top. Tap the split screen. Now choose the another app to use the split screen. Here we select this. Now you can access your phone settings and Google Play Store at the same time on your stock Android 15 version. To increase or decrease the size, tap and hold the middle line and move it to the top to increase or decrease the size of the application specific on your device. In latest Android 15 version, you can also save this application as app pair. Just swipe up and hold. Now at the top you can see the split screen app icon, tap on it and you can see the save app pair option, tap on it. Now it will automatically shortcut to your home screen. So whenever you need to open these two apps, just tap on it and automatically access split screen mode on your Android 15 version. That's it. अभी चैटिंग रह गया क्या है इसका स्कूल स्क्रीन क्लोज कराना बता दीजिए हाँ ओके चलो So quite easy to use split screen mode. To exit or close the split screen mode, tap and hold the middle line and move at the top or bottom of the screen to exit the split screen mode on your Android 15 and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.